Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. This is the one and the only Chikwado space. So in today's video, I'm going to be making a review on this hair brush you see here, GENAI Hair Strengthener Brush, 5 minute styling on a go. I made a review, I made an unboxing of it last time, and I promised to make a review whenever I'm going to do it. I'm going to show you. So how you're going to make use of it is, first of all, I saw people who said they got this straightener from hair straightener brush from Temu, but they don't know how to use it. You have to charge it like 24 hours. You have to charge it until it is full. Then bring it out from the charging uh, point and also on it. When you on it, you will allow it to stay like some minutes before you can make use of it. That's what I'm going to show you today. So keep watching and don't forget to like and share. It works, guys. So that is how it looks like. Make a video. So here now, I'm going to use my daughter's hair to show you how you can make use of it. First of all, I have charged this hair straightener for overnight. I charged it overnight and it's fully charged. Then before I will use it on my daughter's hair, I have already on it. I on it, and it will be, when you on it, it will be showing you numbers like you can see it here. Yeah, now it is hot. So before you make use of it, make sure you comb your hair a little bit. Don't use it as our hair is too strong. You have to comb your hair a little bit before you can make use of it. So let's just try it together. This is my second time using it. I first of all studied it very well before I say let me make the review as I promised to do. You can see now, first of all, I used conditioner and put on the warm water. You can see that water bottle. I filled a small warm water in it and I added my conditioner. Then I use it to spray on the hair. I make it a little bit wet, not too much. Then you can now use the hair straightener to straighten the hair. You can see. Let me know how you think. What do you think? What do you see from this hair straightener? Is it working? Is it working? For me, I can say it's not bad. I cannot say it is bad. It is not bad. The hair straightener can stretching, but not too much. Not too much. It's stretching the hair in a way that it can make it. If you are plaiting a hair, you can use it to straighten it. For kids, please, you have to be careful. You have to be very careful. See how I hold the hair before I draw it. Children is so sensitive. If you draw it anyhow, it's going to offend them. But if it's an adult, grown-up person, you can even draw it in a way you want. But for kids, you have to be very careful how you draw it. The hair straightener can stretching well, but it's not that it's going to make it to be thick. No, you can see it here. I'm showing you for you to see how this can stretch. So if you are getting this hair straightener, this is what you're going to see. This is what you're going to see. I'm going to put the link also in the description in case if you want it, you can as well get it from Temu. It's not costly, it's very affordable. So this is how you're going to use it until you finish detangling your hair. The hair, the hair straightener or brush straightener is just for stretching the hair for you to braid your hair without any problem. It cannot shake it, okay? If you want to shake your hair, it is not this type of hair straightener. This is just like detangling hair brush. You can detangle your hair with it. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share. Let me know. Have you tried this because I saw someone who said he bought it or she bought it, but she don't know how to use it. Please share it to anyone you know who complain about don't know how to use Temu hair stretching brush so that they can know how to do it. Thank you so much for watching, and watch to the end and see the outcome of the my daughter's hair. Bye for now and keep watching.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours